So friends, first today we see that how to draw something directly from PDF. So this is a file with me in which my task is to draw this plot. But you can see this plot is not regular and I don't have any proper dimensions or angles to draw it. I have just have dimension for the sides, and it's not easy to draw in AutoCAD this kind of structure if you don't know the angles. So let's see how we can do it. So we go to AutoCAD and we go to insert, attach, we select this file and specify the screen, rotation, everything. So okay, and you put it on this someplace here. So you can see this file is here. If you want, you can take it into the corner at this point. So you can see this file is here. So now we will draw this area. So let's see, let's start now. So what we do, take a polyline and we start from this corner to, you take care of the corner little carefully, this corner, and we come to this corner, then to this corner, then we come to this corner. So this is there, so I will support polyline. So I will select it, copy it and put it upside. So now we check the dimensions. The dimensions are main important for me. So from here to here it's coming 22 foot 10 inches. So here you can see 22 foot 9 13 by 6 inches, so almost same. Now I will check the other dimension. Come from here to here, so you can see 40 feet 4 inches, and here it is 40 feet 4 inches. Similarly I will check the third dimension. So it's 22 8 and it's 22 9 inches, so 1 inch difference is there. It's a possibility maybe while putting the corner or somewhere we got some error, but we got very close to the real one. And this 48 feet 10 inches and this is 48 feet 9 13 6, almost same we getting. So like this you can draw anything from PDF to get or sketch it out, but you have to take care that your PDF file should be in good resolution. So this is for today, so we see you in the next video. Thank you.